Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please write your name as you join. Please write your name in the
Good
chat.
morning.
Good morning. Please write your name in the chat box. Trinesh. Write your name in the chat box and mute yourself. 5th A and B, mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please mute yourself as you join. Please mute yourself. 12. I think there is. Open your camera. Who is this Niranjan? Joined with Niranjan ID.
Ma'am, my Indian topic is done.
Niranjan, joined with Niranjan. Okay, Toran. Toran, can you hear me? Toran, unmute yourself. Toran, Toran, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Toran, can you listen to me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Shraddha Devi. Okay, Shraddha. Write your name in the chat box for attendance, okay?
Ma'am, Harshita also present, ma'am. Shardabai.
Hashwita, Fiona, Ruchika, Nayas, okay, Harshita, Bharani, written, Vrinda, Trinesh, Prajita, okay. So, please listen your names which I have written down for attendance till now. 5th A, Praharshita, Akshaya, Fiona, Bhavna, Varun Raj, Dhruvika, Hashwita. Okay, now Vishishta has joined. Vishishta also, and here Rakshita, Navneet and Vibha. From 5th B, Swatika, Vrinda, Bharani, Trinesh, Ruchika, Yuva, Nivas, Toran, Rakshita, Kirtana. Kirtana written. Okay. Please listen your name for the attendance. Okay. If anyone's name is left, they can write it in the chat box. Okay.
Ma'am, Kirtana 50%.
Kirtana marked. Yes, I have marked. Okay. I think one has left. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, only 20 students, ma'am.
9, 10,
Ma'am,
11,
please give
12,
us a
13,
completed.
14, 15, 16, 9. G Srinika.
Ma'am, G Bhavna present, ma'am.
G Bhavna, yes, I have
Ma'am,
marked. Dinesh. Good morning.
Ma'am, G ma'am, marked.
G Srinika marked. Yes, G Srinika, I have marked yours.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Harshita marked, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 13, 14, 16. 5th A and B, one is that your test will start, okay, in next week or in after this. Somebody joined right now.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
please don't miss your classes, okay?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't miss your classes because tomorrow I'll give you. You have given the EVS test. New students have not given that test. Okay, those who have joined.
Ma'am, tomorrow Google test.
Yes, tomorrow I'll give you English test on Google Form. Okay, you have done one EVS test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So those who have not done that EVS one, kindly do that test and revise
Ma'am,
your English.
tomorrow now only test.
Tomorrow after the class, I will give you the test. Okay, after the class. Okay, so
Okay,
you
ma'am.
will do
Very
it
good.
on.
Okay, ma'am.
You will do
Okay,
it
ma'am.
on Google Form. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Hashvita, mute yourself. Please revise your syllabus. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Akshara present. Ma'am,
Yes. Good
28
morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Shanmukh sir present.
Good morning.
28
Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, you are in school, ma'am.
Yes, I am in school. That's why I am wearing the mask. Ma'am, will the test be like? Yes, test will be like EVS 1. You will have MCQ questions, 10 questions. Okay. Prepare your English syllabus, grammatical part. Okay. Grammatical part you have to prepare well, which we have done till now. Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you test that will be MCQ. 4 options will be given there. Okay. Read the question and mark the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, your face is that side, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Because webcam is installed in different direction, that's why my face is not visible.
Ma'am, on 20th we have periodic test.
20th, I don't know about 20th. We will tell you the date timetable about
Ma'am,
it.
uncle sir told.
मैम अंकुश सर ने ऐसे बोला है मैम.
अंकुश सर ने 20th बताया है. Okay, you will get the time. You will get the date sheet of periodic test in 1 to 2 days. Okay. So please start preparing your syllabus and don't miss any class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Don't unmute. Mute yourself. Who is speaking? Don't.
Good morning.
Okay. After 2 minutes, I'll start with the class. B Shrinika, mute yourself.
Ma'am.
33 only.
Ma'am, only 30 students are there.
So, fifth A and B, hope I am clear to you. Tomorrow you will give the test. Okay. And those who haven't given EVS test, new students, I think they have not attempted that test, EVS 1. I will send that link also.
Which test?
Aksh-
Which test?
Akshaya, who is this 7A6? Akshaya Shri Kamasaram. Who is this with ID?
Yeah, ma'am.
Akshaya? Stop presenting.
No, ma'am.
Who is this 7A6 Akshaya Shri? Stop presenting.
Yeah, ma'am.
Akshaya is a hair na with the ID.
Jyoti Rani, ma'am.
So who is this one?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't present your screen.
Ma'am, I think she's new joiner.
New that only I want na what name for attendance.
What is your present? वो उसको वीडियो ऑन करने के लिए बोले ना मैम.
Please all of you switch on your mic. Kirtana अपना कैमरा ऑन करो. Kirtana कैमरा ऑन करो. कदमची में भी अंकिता. Okay. Fifth B, your attendance is going down day by day. Why are you not joining the class? Fifth B. Fifth B is going down day by day. Yesterday was very less and today very less.
I've present all classes daily.
Mute yourself. Okay.
Presenting all the classes.
Okay. So don't now listen your names. Those who are present here, I am taking the names. Okay. If anyone is left, tell me. Write it in the chat box. Okay. Fifth A, Praharshita, Akshaya, Fiona, G Bhavna, Varun Raj, Dhruvika, Hashwita, Vishishta, Navneet, Vibha, G Shrinika, Sujita, Ananya, B Shrinika, Tejas, Akshara, Likhitej, Stephen, Rishida.
How you are managing without internet?
इंटरनेट है ना तभी तो चल रहा
Hi, sir.
है. From fifth A, Kaushik has joined. Fifth B, Swatika, Vrinda, Bharani, Trinesh, Ruchika, Yuva, Nivas, Tauran, Rakshita, Kirtana, Nayak, Dinesh, Arushi, Deepa, Shanmukh, Sunishka, Ankita. Okay? These are from fifth B, so they will join side by side. I am presenting the chapter to you. Okay? We will read the next chapter, next poem, that is Crying. Okay?
Today attendance is 62
Ma'am.
before this class.
पता नहीं कहाँ है. Where are rest of the students? Okay, Jayendra.
Ma'am, 5th B is going down, ma'am.
Yes, fifth B at only 17. Fifth B only 17. What happened?
Students are there in 5th B. 50, ma'am.
Fifth A 21 and fifth B 17. 38. Okay, I am present. Don't present in between now. I am presenting the chapter. Okay. DP Charan. 2019. Nitish. Sandy. Kaveri. Okay, I think they are joining.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please mute yourself. I am presenting the chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We will join them side by side. Mute yourself on my 3 count. Mute yourself. 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Trinesh, don't play. Don't play. Sit properly. Don't play. क्या हो गया ये? Okay. Don't play with any of the things and please mute yourself. No disturbance in between now. Okay.
Ma'am, you are singing that side. How are you singing this side, ma'am?
Sorry.
You are seeing.
No. I am not seeing that side. My webcam is installed in different direction, so it is looking like this. Okay. I can see you all. Rakshita, mute yourself.
Himanshi, ma'am.
Yes.
Taking.
I am presenting.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So mute yourself. Nitish, mute yourself. And don't present in between. Nobody will present in between.
Ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, yesterday you kept online test, na, ma'am.
yesterday, not yesterday. Tomorrow I will take online test. Okay, so our next poem is Crying. Okay. Next unit, unit 4, Crying. So I'll ask one by one to read a para. Okay. Reading test. So from 5th A, don't say take my name. I'll take one by one. Okay.
Ma'am, I have read that lesson.
I know, but you have to give the reading test.
Ma'am, which lesson?
Crying. This is not a test, just you have to read. 5th A and B, stop asking questions now. Stop asking questions and let's read. Kaveri, mute yourself. Nitish, mute yourself. Okay, so from first I'll start with. Okay, somebody is joining. Okay, so fifth A, let's start with any new one. Okay, let's start with Varun Raj. Fifth A, Varun Raj. New student, Varun Raj. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible. I have shared.
Visible,
It's
ma'am.
visible. Please, if it's not visible, leave the class and come back again. Okay. So, fifth B, Varun Raj is here. Varun Raj. Varun Raj, can you hear me?
Madam.
Okay, can you hear me, Varun Raj? Say yes.
Ma'am.
Say yes or no. Fifth A, Varun Raj. Okay, let me.
Ma'am.
Yes, Varun Raj, can you see the text? Can you see this text? Varun Raj?
Ma'am. Sharing, I think.
Can you see this text here? You have to read this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask someone else. Fifth A, let me ask from someone. Praharshita. Fifth A, Praharshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this text. Can you hear me? Read the text.
Ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Yes, just read this text.
Read and enjoy. It is great. No use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in
Shar.
and
And
splash, splash.
very good. Very good, Prashita. Okay, now from fifth to B, Vrinda is here. Vrinda, can you hear me?
Ma'am, next picture.
Please don't say Vrinda is here. Vrinda.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here.
Vrinda, can you see the text?
Yeah.
Okay, read the text.
Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash,
Good.
splash.
So, what is the poet saying about the poem? Very good, Vrinda. Mute yourself now. Okay, mute yourself. So, crying only a little bit is of no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. So, what the poet is saying, you must cry very much. Crying little is of no use. That means you should cry how much to extent? To a large extent. You must cry to a large extent. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Okay, until your pillow is soaked means until your pillow gets wet, you must cry. Then you can jump in the shower. What is a shower? Fifth B. Okay, Kirtana, tell me what is shower. Kirtana, can you hear me? What is a shower? Kirtana?
Ma'am?
Okay,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
what do you mean by shower? SHOWER.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes. You can tell in हिंदी. आप हिंदी में बता सकते हो. हिंदी में बताओ.
मैम हम बात कर सकते हैं.
हाँ दिनेश वेरी गुड. आपने देखा है आप जब नहाने जाते हो तो एक ऊपर डिवाइस लगा होता है ना जिससे it gives you a feeling like rain. आपको रेन का फील आता है उससे है ना.
हाँ मैम.
Okay, so and then you can jump into the shower and just splash, splash, splash. Okay, so the poem first para is this. Now we will go to second para. Okay. Okay, from fifth A. Wait, let me give chance to new one. Ananya is here. Fifth A, Ananya. Ananya, read the text.
Then you can go up.
Mute yourself.
And if people say what's going on up there, you think back. Happiness was behind in the last test. And I it. Ha ha ha.
Okay. Then you can, okay, from fifth B, Fifth B, Toran is here. Fifth B, Toran. Toran is here. Fifth B.
Madam, I love you.
Fifth B, Toran is here.
China.
Who is speaking here? Mute yourself. Fifth B. Toran is here. Swatika, mute yourself.
Karan is here, ma'am.
Toran, can you hear me? Toran. Toran, can you hear me? Who is speaking like this?
मैम म्यूट करने के लिए बोलो मैम.
Who? Toran, can you hear me? Okay, read the text. I am showing you the text. Read the text. Varun Raj, mute yourself. Nobody will keep unmute. How many times you need one instruction? I can't understand this. Toran, read this text.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Then you can open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say
Hey, hey.
he was going on
What's
up
going on
Ha,
up there? Ha ha ha.
there, ha ha, sing back, happiness
Was hiding.
in the last year.
I
I
wept
wept
it.
it, ha ha.
Ha. So, okay. Next from fifth B only I'll take. Fifth B, Ankita is here. Ankita. Jaisal, one. Ankita. Wait. Ankita is here. Fifth B, Ankita. 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 She joined 20. Ankita, can you hear me? Okay. So read this text. Yes. So can you read? Can you see the text? Ankita. Read the text. Read it. Then you can throw open. Read the text. Ankita. You don't have book. I am showing you the text here. I am presenting you the text. Read from here. See the screen and read.
Ma'am, Kirtan is shouting.
Kirtana. Okay, next I'll take someone else. She is not reading. Suman is here. Bharani Suman. Suman Bharani. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, read the text. The rest mute yourself. Read this text. Read the text. Read the text. Fifth, Bharani, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes. Where is she? Please, Swatika, Ankita, mute yourself. This is last warning. I will remove you from the class. Thoran also. Suman, can you see the text now? This text. Read the text. Read.
Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha ha. Singing back, happiness was hiding in the last chest.
I wept it. Ha ha.
Ha.
D. Hari Prasad. Who has joined with D. Hari Prasad? I think it's Kritika. Okay. So this was the poem about crying. Then second para is, then you can open your window. After bathing, you can open your window and just say ha ha ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. happiness was hiding in the last tear. So you can say the tears were of happiness. It belongs to your happiness. I wept it, ha ha ha. So I cried.
Here.
Tear means your आंसू आना, रोना. रोते हो तो आंसू आते हैं ना आपके. That is tears. Okay. So I wept it, ha ha ha. So that the tears were of happiness. Okay, not of sadness. That were of happiness. So we will read the poem once again. Let me ask some other now. Okay, from fifth A. Fifth A, who will read now? Akshaya? Akshaya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya, read the text, first para.
Ma'am, my chance is complete, ma'am.
आएगी अभी सबकी चांस आएगी, वेट करो.
Ma'am, just please.
हाँ, one by one I'll take now. Okay, one by one I'll give you reading one. Okay, only reading we will take. Okay, so next.
Ma'am, next Akshara.
One by one. Okay, Akshaya, read the text. Akshaya,
Okay, ma'am.
see,
Crying is
crying only a little bit
is no use. You must cry unity
until
until your pillow is soaked.
then
You can jump in the shower
and
and
splash.
splash.
Very good, good, very good. Next from fifth B. Fifth B. First is Swatika. Swatika, can you hear me? Swatika.
Yes, ma'am.
Swatika, read the text.
Okay, ma'am. Crying only little bit is no.
Okay. Crying. Read, Swatika. Read.
Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry unit
Until. It is the until.
your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and slap.
Not slap. It is splash. See, read it. SPLASH. Splash, splash. Okay, good. Good. Next is Fiona. Fiona, can you hear me? Fifth A, Fiona. I'll take the names fifth A and B. Don't take your name. I'm taking the names. Fifth A, Fiona. Can you hear me? Fiona.
मैडम मैं पढ़ता हूँ मैम.
Fifth A. Fiona is here. Okay, let me take another. Dhruvika is here. Dhruvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruvika, read the text.
Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash,
Good,
splash.
very good, very good. From next same text we will again read. Okay, fifth B, Trinesh. Trinesh. Okay, Trinesh, read the text.
Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked.
Soaked.
Then you can jump in the shower and slash.
Splash, splash, splash. Okay, good. Next, fifth A, Hashvita. Hashvita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hashvita, read the text.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is not visible, ma'am.
Crying only. Now it's visible. Okay.
It is visible, ma'am.
Okay. Now
It
read.
is
Okay.
visible.
Okay.
Crying only a little bit is
No use.
no you.
You must.
मैम ये नहीं दिख रहा है मैम.
Low. Zoom. I am zooming it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Must cry
Until your pillow
until your pillow is
soaked.
soaked. Then you can
Jump
in the
shower
shower and
Splash.
Splash.
Okay, good. Practice it. Okay, practice the reading. Fifth B, Dinesh. Dinesh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the
Yes,
text,
ma'am.
then I'll give another text. Read this text. Dinesh.
Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash.
Good, very good. Okay, now let me take another text. Okay, this text. Then, okay, next from fifth A. Fifth A, Arushi, don't present in between. Ishant, don't present in between. Nobody will present in between. It stops my presentation. Ishant, mute yourself. Don't unmute. Ambika, mute yourself. Okay, so Navneet, can you hear me? Fifth A, Navneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Navneet, okay, read this text.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this text.
Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on there up? Ha ha. Sing back happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha.
Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Next. Fifth B, Jazel. Fifth B, Jazel. Yes. Can you see the text?
Yes,
Read the text.
Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha. Sing back happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha.
Good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Fifth A, Tejas. Tejas is present. Tejas.
Yes,
Tejas. Tejas, can you see the text?
No, ma'am, just your name is written.
My name is written? Where? Okay, wait.
Top video.
Okay, now I have zoomed it. Can you see now? Tejas, is it visible? See the text? Tejas.
It is visible, ma'am.
I think it is visible.
It's visible now.
Okay, Tejas, read now. Read.
Then you can throw open your window and ha ha ha. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha.
Okay, one thing, you are reading it like a paragraph. Can you see there are some commas and full stops are here? You have to give a pause there. Then you can open your window and ha ha ha. When you see a comma in a reading text, see after and you can see a comma. Pause. Give a 1 second pause there. Okay, and then say ha 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 ha. And if people say, then after say you can see a comma here. Give a pause. Okay, 1 second you have to give a pause and then you have to read. And if people say, hey, what's going on up there? See, here is a question mark. Question mark means you are asking a question. Hey, what's going on up there? Ha ha. Sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it. Ha ha. Okay? So when you see a comma or any question mark, you have to give a pause there. Okay? Yes, from fifth B now. Fifth B. Let me take one boy. DP is here. DP Charan. DP Charan. Fifth B. DP, can you hear me? He was in the class first. DP.
Ma'am, Sunita.
Wait. Let me check. DP is he was here. Okay. Next, after the Yuva. Yuva, can you see the I am presenting the text. Can you see the text? Okay. Okay, read the text.
Ma'am,
Himanshi,
Yes. Wait, let him read. And
ma'am, my sister started saying
on there. So, okay, very nice reading. Okay, so now this poem is written by Galway Kinnell. Galway Kinnell. This poem is written by a thought poet. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes, who is speaking?
ma'am, Swatika, ma'am.
Yes, Swatika, what happened?
Ma'am, my sister classes started, ma'am.
Class started? No, I think it will have 15 minutes now. After 15 minutes, it will start. After 5 minutes, I will wind it up. Okay, after 5 minutes, I'll wind up. Okay. If you have only one cell phone, Swatika, you have only one cell phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you can, if the class is starting, you can give the phone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, let's see the new words. Let's see the new words of this poem. Okay, some new words are here. First one is soaked. Soaked means completely wet. Completely wet. Okay. Next is shower. Shower, I asked you in between. Starting of the chapter, I asked you what is shower. So that is bath in which water is sprayed from above. When you take bath, you have seen one device, one instrument there. Okay. Wept means, what do you mean by wept? Wept means to cry, to weep, to cry. Shed tears, cried. Okay, shed tears, cried. These are new words of this poem. Okay, now one activity we will do. This was the poem and new words. Now I am stopping the presentation. Okay, take out your English notebook and any pen or pencil. We will have a dictation test. Okay, I will say few words. You have to write it down. The spellings. Okay. So
Repeat.
first of all, you have 1 minute. In 1 minute, just take out your English notebooks. Write today's date. Write date fast.
Ma'am,
I will say few words and that you have to write. The dictation, okay? I will say 10 words. English notebook. Take out English notebook, and then we will have a dictation, okay? We will have a dictation test now. Sanvi, mute. Don't unmute. You don't have to unmute now. Reading is over now. Okay? So, we will have a dictation now.
ma'am.
Yes. Arushi, please don't present. Okay, start writing. Shall I say the first word?
Yes, ma'am.
So, the first word, listen the word. First word is crying. First word is crying. Crying.
Ma'am, crying or crying?
Crying. The name of the unit. Crying. Write the spelling of
English notebook.
English notebook. Yes, you are studying English. So write it in English only. English.
Ma'am, next word.
Let me speak the first word. Please don't unmute. Don't unmute. Okay. First one is crying. Crying. Don't see from the textbook. Those who are having the textbook, please close the textbook and then write. First word is crying. Likitej, write crying.
Over, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, second word, ma'am.
second word is, have you written the first crying?
Yes, ma'am.
Second is second is soaked.
First one.
First one is crying, not trying. Crying. Name of the lesson. Crying.
Ma'am, second one.
Second is soaked. Soaked.
What?
Soaked. Soaked means complete. Soaked means
Second word again, please.
soaked. Completely wet. That means completely wet.
Soaked,
Soaked.
ma'am.
Soaked. Soaked.
And second word is
Soaked. Soaked.
Ma'am, what is second word?
Soaked. I will say 3 times. जो सुन रहा है वो लिखो. Soaked. Soaked. That means completely wet. Soaked. Okay. Next word. Next. Can I say the next word?
yes,
Next word is happiness. Happiness. Happiness.
ma'am.
Happiness. Third word is happiness. Crying.
Ma'am, we should send personally.
Yes, you will send me this dictation test personally. Okay, I'll correct it. Happiness.
Ma'am,
10 words. 10. Okay, next word.
Ma'am,
After happiness, can I say the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Tear. Tear.
Yes, ma'am.
Tears. That means tears.
Ma'am, tear or tears?
Tears. Don't see from the text. Tears. That
once again. Next word.
tears.
Ma'am.
Second.
Tears.
Tears.
Ma'am, fourth word.
Fifth word is fifth word. Wait, I am saying the fifth word. Wait. Fifth word is splash. Splash.
Splash.
Splash. Splash. Fourth one is tears. Fourth one tears. Fourth one tears. Fifth one is splash. 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 Next, after splash, write the next word. After splash, you have to write pillow.
Ma'am, third word क्या है मैम?
Pillow.
Pillow, ma'am.
Pillow. Yes. Fifth word is splash. 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 Sixth one pillow. Sixth one is pillow.
Ma'am,
Sixth one is
Ma'am, seventh word.
ma'am, ma'am, third word क्या है?
Ma'am, after
I
pillow.
will repeat the words after completing. After completing, I will say all the words. First, write it down. Okay. Seventh word. Write down the.
Ma'am, after pillow.
Please, first of all, mute yourself. Sixth word is pillow. Now, next is seventh. Seventh word. Seventh word is throw. Throw.
Ma'am, throw.
Throw. Yes, to throw something. Throw. Fekna. Throw. Next word is write down.
Ma'am, after throw.
After throw, I'll say wait. Please don't feel like this. I am speaking. Wait. Don't shout. Throw.
Repeat the sixth word.
Sixth is pillow. Sixth is pillow. Sixth word is pillow. Seventh is throw. Eighth word I will say. Eighth. Eighth word is wept. Wept. Wept.
Ma'am, eighth one, ma'am.
Eighth one is wept. Wept.
Over. Next word.
Okay, wept is eight. Ninth word is ninth word.
Ma'am, please tell 8th word once again.
Wept. Wept.
Wept.
Wept. Wept. Ninth is window. Window.
Wept or wet?
Wept. Wept. Ninth one is window. Tenth is the last. Tenth, the last word. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Tenth word is.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you please say the right word? There was a problem, so I have been.
Please mute on.
Tenth word is jump. Jump. Jump.
Ma'am, what is the ninth word?
Ninth.
Jump.
Ninth is window.
Ma'am, 10th one is jump.
Jump.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Okay.
Ma'am, jump.
Jump. Jump.
Ma'am, please mute on.
Now, wait, I'll speak again all the words. Check your words, okay? Don't say in between now. Mute yourself. So listen the first second. I'm saying all the words. First one is crying. Second, soaked. Please don't ask your doubts right now. Please. Listen the words first. Listen the words, then you ask the doubts. Crying. Arushi, stop presenting. Arushi. Arushi, don't present. Okay, so next. See, first word is crying. Second is soaked. Check your words which you have written, okay? First is crying. Second, soaked. Third is happiness. Fourth is tears. Fifth, splash. Any word which you have missed, you can write again, okay? Fifth is splash. Sixth is pillow. Pillow. Seventh one is throw. Eighth is wept. Wept. Ninth is window. And tenth word is jump. Okay? So write these and then send me this dictation test personally. Yes, WhatsApp. Please wait. Fifth ANB, wait. Principal ma'am is here. Just wish ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Stop wishing.
Can I send the photos to your personal number
Yes,
in
you
WhatsApp?
have to send the dictation test personally on my WhatsApp number, okay?
Okay,
Always send personally.
Good morning, dear.
Okay, listen to ma'am. Fifth
Ma'am, can we leave
ANB.
the class?
No,
morning,
listen
ma'am.
to ma'am first. Principal ma'am, listen to ma'am. Wait for 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute.
Good morning, children. Don't say anything
Don't
now. Listen to me. Now, periodic tests will be there. Are you happy, all of you? Are you happy? Don't.
Yes, ma'am.
Just say with your actions.
ठीक है. Video should be on. You should show your hands.
Show
Don't
your
say from the
faces.
mouth.
Okay?
Video already, camera on. and 45. Don't talk.
Okay, no talking.
No talking. No talking. Listen to me now. All of you are studying. I could see 40 or 41 children here. Strength is 85. Strength is 85 in fifth and be together. Madam, please try to see that.
Yes, ma'am.
Message will go today to everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
They have attended the classes
Okay, ma'am.
without fail.
Okay.
Periodic tests also. As well as we have an inspection on 24th. All 85 children should be present by that time.
Okay, ma'am.
And all of you have to get ready for us as early. The inspection as well as for daily inspection will be there. Online inspection will be there on 24th, Monday. So you all have to be neat and clean in the school uniform and sit for your classes. And now, are you enjoying this online? Don't talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Any difficulty, you should contact your teachers and do your work sincerely and take care of your health. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Be at home. Your parents will bring everything for you. And whatever that virus competition or whatever is there, nothing should be bought from outside. Whatever is available at home, with that only you have to get ready. Teachers, please instruct them very clearly. Nothing should be from outside. No parent has to cook anything outside. Don't talk. First listen to me. Whatever is available at home, with that only you have to get ready, or you just talk few sentences about that leader, freedom fighter. If you don't dress up also, it is okay. Your teachers will tell you, you have to talk like that. Nothing has to be brought from outside. This is very, very clear. Everybody, we are not coming to the school. Why? Because we have to take care of our health. So, being at home, whatever in the resources at home, you have to conduct all the competitions and all the project assignments, everything should be within home. No child will ask the parent for anything to be bought from outside, other than pen, pencil, notebooks, textbooks. Parents get, but you will not come out. Is it clear to everyone? I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
You have to get ready. And nobody will go for any competition. At home, whatever is there, you get ready and talk like that particular freedom fighter. That will do it. You don't go to the breakfast shop, buy the costume. ये सब कुछ नहीं करना है. कोई भी कुछ भी purchase नहीं करना है. Is it clear? Parents who are listening, teachers, please ensure that we are sitting at home. We have to take care of this very, very, very important.
Ma'am.
Okay, what happened?
Of you.
Okay.
Difficulties are there your parent or teacher. Tell me what
Okay.
you want to say.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Your voice is not. Ma'am, your voice is not audible. It is breaking.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself.
And every period, send today messages and messages and parents, whoever are not attending
Yes, ma'am.
regularly,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
your will be connected or in the first next week.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you have to be ready. Thank you. Thank you.
So,
Today, don't go outside, be at home, do yoga. Thank you.
oh, thank you. Okay, fifth A and B. So you have heard the instructions. Okay. So don't go outside. Tomorrow you have to submit your CCA activity, that is best out of waste. Make something creative out of waste material that is kept at your home. Don't go outside for anything. Make something creative from the Arushi, stop presenting. Make something creative from the waste material. And fifth A will send to Ankush sir. Fifth B. Fifth B will send to me. Okay. Your and best three will given be the prizes. Best three will win. First, second, third. We will take out first, second, third. Okay.
Ma'am,
So please, Arushi. Okay. So and please do attend all the classes. Homework I will give in the WhatsApp group. Do attend the classes. Okay. And don't miss any class. Don't miss the class. Your test and
excuse me, ma'am.
you have inspection on 24th, Monday 24th. So don't miss the classes and don't miss that inspection, and test will also be there, periodic test from 20th. Okay. So be ready for the test. Tomorrow you have a test, English test on Google Form.
Ma'am, so our periodic test will be conducted from next week.
Periodic test from next week, 20th. Okay, from next week. So now you can leave. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Leave the class. Okay. Homework.
Ma'am, will you send all the
No problem. Vishishta, no problem. No issue. You can leave the class now. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Send your dictation. Send your dictation. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akshay. Any doubt?
ma'am, shall we use clothes?
You can use any waste material. Clothes. Your don't use thermocol. Waste cardboards. Waste clips. What you are making and then use something. Okay. Make something creative from waste material and send to us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can make a rocket out of waste materials. Okay. Anything you can make. Find sort. Ishan, stop presenting. Doubt. Who is having doubt? Yes, you can ask now. Doubt. Yes, that I will send today in the group. I have prepared that PDF that I'll share it today. Okay. That my shadow exercises and Robinson exercises. Question answer. Okay. That I'll send to you today. Yes. Homework is to just this word. Homework I'll send it to you in WhatsApp group. Okay. That I'll send you in the WhatsApp group. Check the WhatsApp group for the homework. Okay. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Okay. Bye.